Hello, welcome to part 2 of what we've been up to this winter. So, after Yuma, we moved up to Quartzsite because of Sarah's work with the National Vehicle Residency Coalition, which is a wonderful nonprofit that advocates for vehicle residency. I'll direct you to their website here if you are interested and want more info. This is from their spaghetti dinner they put on in Scadden Wash, free food for the community. And then they spoke at the RTR. Here's some of what Sarah said.
Worker and what you're hearing about legal issues that people are experiencing.
Yeah, I think specifically for me, my concern is being able to continue to do this legally. So I travel with my husband and our cat Pam in our Class C RV full-time. We travel with the weather. We camp on public land as we travel. So national forest, state parks, BLM land, all those types of things. We boondock and we pay for camping as well. Recently we had a situation where we were asked to leave public land because park rangers determined that we live out of our vehicles full time. My main concern is that rule, that national forest rule, being selectively applied. The idea that to work in the White River National Forest campground, I have to be in a self-contained vehicle. I even had to have solar because they did not provide us electricity. So I didn't invest in solar just for the campground job, but I have solar on our RV. We've invested in our vehicle to make it comfortable and habitable for us. And because of those characteristics of my vehicle, we were hired to be camp hosts, right? And so we were perfect for that position to work for the National Forest. But the moment that we wanted to recreate on that National Forest land, we are now no longer wanted or desired to be there.
Then off to Ehrenberg for Schoolie Palooza, which we missed last year. I heard that was for the better, but we had a lot of fun this year.
Right? Oh.
There's no
My personal favorite thing is to walk around at night for the disco music and all the different performers.
So yeah, I got the fuck out of there and I made a little small tour for myself this last summer. And I've been playing music on the road. That's my full-time job income. Small as it may be.
This year they had a great open mic. I only shot a few things, but it was all very entertaining. We had a great time.
And you never doubt what's been spoken about over tea time. We all want to know it all till we finally do.
Bippity! Boppity! Boo!
And then while we were at Schooley, Sarah finally got her first tattoo.
You good? Feeling good?
Yeah, I'm feeling really good.
You're gonna do great. We'll have your arm like sit on this, so you're fine. Not too bad for you so far?
No, none at all. Involuntary movement there.
Yeah, it wasn't even that bad though. You're good.
How special is this? Getting my first tattoo in a bus at Schooly Palooza.
Right?
Very awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna clean that off, and with my thicken up a few little spots and stuff.
I love it so much.
How was your first tattoo experience?
Amazing, incredibly easy. Let's do more.
Like a pop-up?
Yes, absolutely. Oh my
There you
god.
go.
Look at that.
And then off to Silly Owls for the start of the Seahawks championship run. It was quite a scene here at Silly Owls. Most of the people there were for the game, but they also had a live band, which I kind of felt bad for the band, but they were great anyway. And this is us meeting up with our camp hosting co-workers, and we made pizza outside. Doesn't get better than this. This is why we do this life.
I bet it was a great sunset. Yeah. Are you gonna do the first thing or just like push it? No, that's amazing. Michael, this was not the. Yeah. Michael makes pizza too. Yeah. I know, right?
Yeah, I'll leave y'all here for today with this image of Sarah successfully cooking popcorn over the fire. It can be done. Okay, see you next time. Oh, God.
The Gauffin ones are much worse. These are the light ones.
They're all like half pop. Ooh. Looky what we got here,
That
though.
actually turned out good.
Hell yeah.
You know,
Try it.
Try one of these ones, make sure it's not bad. Oh yeah, they're good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Compared to